Hello, everyone, and welcome to this 42nd episode of 5 Minutes with NY Ike. I am Isaac Sacolick, or NY Ike on Twitter. Now, I get a lot of questions about predicting the future and about looking at emerging technologies. So in this episode, I want to talk about 2022 and emerging technologies that are practical. And that means things that you can work on today, find vendors, find talent to be able to invest in and bring new innovations to your corporation. Let's get started. So I think 2022 is really going to be the year where multiple technologies, when brought together, integrated, and enabled around a solution, are really going to drive business impact. I'm going to share 3 different examples. One that's been around for some time, and that's really hyperautomation. What that's doing is trying to enable people working in business departments to be more efficient, deliver at higher quality, and use data and intelligence as part of their day-to-day decision making. Now, there are several technologies that fall under the umbrella of hyperautomation. They bring together low-code technologies and specifically citizen development technologies so that people in their departments with the subject matter expertise can develop applications. Second, we bring together data and analytics and machine learning so that the vast amount of information that's available to them can be streamlined and they can use it to make day-to-day decisions. And then third, we're obviously going to take some of the things that they do today and find ways to automate them, to orchestrate them. But really, all these 3 technologies, when brought together, they are there to help people become more empowered, do more work, improve their productivity, improve their quality, improve their efficiencies, and really enable a much happier day-to-day life for the people doing work in your business. So that's really what hyper-automation is about. Second area is really the convergence of 4 technologies: IoT, edge computing, 5G, and AI. And what that's basically saying in this diagram is that I can collect data at the edge. Maybe it's a smart car, maybe it's a bunch of smart devices working in a building. I can use that to do real-time analysis, real-time applications at the source, really improve the experience for people who are right there and then doing something, whether it's a manufacturing floor or a smart building. And then through AI and machine learning and aggregation, bring that data up into larger data sets that are looking into greater scopes of areas and helping orchestrate much larger decisions, orchestrate a lot higher levels of automation and intelligence. And these technologies are coming to bear in places like smart cities, smart buildings, and areas where we really bring together a lot of different infrastructure, and we can use this technology to look at real-time data processing at a low level and higher level processing when we're bringing the data together from multiple sources. So that's the convergence of those 4 technologies. And then I look at the customer experience, right? Particularly around areas around retail, where we're going to start taking advantage of AR and VR technologies. We're going to do a lot more around payments. We're going to improve our loyalty with our customers. We're going to use platforms called customer data platforms. And what that basically means is we're going to bring our data around our customers, all the events, all the transactions, all the journey so that they're doing into one central area. We're going to be able to make some better real-time decisions, personalized offerings to them. And that's what's really going to drive the future of retail and e-commerce. So what you have there are 3 different technologies that are going to drive the future that could all be enabled practically in 2022. Let's bring that together in the next picture. So why are we driving digital transformation and trying to become more agile and become more data-driven? And it's because the technology that's going to drive the next wave of innovation and competitiveness is here and now, whether it's IoT, AI, 5G, hyperautomation, AR, VR, customer data platforms, payments and loyalty. These are all systems that are available today and are becoming more mainstream. And I didn't even speak about the technologies that are going to drive the next wave of innovation. Things like Web3, the next generation of AR and VR, and more advanced AI, all these things are to come. But today, here and now, CIOs, IT leaders, data and digital leaders, you got a lot of technology that can drive innovation and competitiveness in your organization. Thank you for watching this episode of 5 Minutes with NY Ike. Please subscribe to our channel. I put out a new episode once or twice every single month. And please follow all of my writing through my newsletter that you can get access to at the URL below, starcio.com/5nyike/EP42. Thanks again and have a great day.